The people do God's will as a king, out of love, through obedience, but out of love. We need to start treating him like a king. That is our job. God has done his job. He has gone to war. We are no longer under oppression unless we brought it in ourselves, and then he will still fight those battles for us. See what happens here in Matthew chapter 7. So in Matthew chapter 7, verse 21, Jesus is talking and he says, "Not everyone who says to me, 'Lord, Lord,' will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven." Okay. "Many will say to me on that day, 'Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name and drive out demons in your name and perform miracles?'" All huge things, all powerful things. "Then I will tell them plainly, 'I never knew you. Away from me, evildoers.'" So what I learn here from what Jesus is saying to people seems to negate my need for religious activity. To read my Bible because I read my Bible. To show up on Sunday because I show up on Sunday. To give because I give. To serve because I serve. It's not about what I'm doing. It's about why I'm doing it. And why I'm doing it has to go back to love. But also what this scripture does, it reinforces the need for relationship. Jesus said, "You did all those cool things, all those good churchy things, and I never knew you." We never had a relationship.